What up, guys? They call me Patronn. This is Brooklyn Mitsubishi. I want to talk to you about the Automotive Game Changer conference going on December 3rd, 2018. Guys, I get calls every day, right? From vendors, from dealerships, what it is, the secret to sell that many cars out of Brooklyn and in Mitsubishi stores. So I decided to have my own conference, one-day event, all day pretty much. It's going to be Q&A. You're going to be able to ask me all the questions you want. I'll be able to answer all the questions. Basically, I'm giving away my secrets, guys. Because I don't have an ad agency and I do everything pretty much myself because I love marketing and it's my passion, I'm willing to share that with you guys and that experience as well. All the little nuggets that you're going to get that day, it's so valuable for the little thing you're going to pay. So it's really calm down. We'll make it fun. It'll be nice. You know, you have a great time. It's going to be sponsored cocktail hours. The bank's going to be there. Some big celebrities are going to come down as well. So it's going to be a sold-out event. So I suggest you go ahead, click the link below. All right, buy your ticket now because it's going to be a sold-out event, and we have people flying in from all over the place. So there's a hotel. You get a nice rate because of Patronn. We already worked that out for you guys. So I suggest you make this investment. Call me directly if you want VIP. There will be a mentoring program going on as well after the event. If you guys want to do it, if you guys want to meet me before and have a one-on-one with me, I would love to meet you. And let's have a rockin' 2019, man. This is the best is yet to come. So I want to share that with you guys. So thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. See you guys at the event. Ciao. Peace.